It's mostly we were getting certified to do prescribed fires as well as doing chainsaw work. I know a lot of that was one of the big appeals to me. Now I feel comfortable, probably not to do it by myself, but like I know exactly like what we're supposed to do step by step just from yesterday's work. So I came today completely prepared.
As far as the Pitt State students, this program is really wonderful because when we look at future applicants coming into Missouri State Parks or any form of natural resources, we're looking for people that have the ability to put themselves out there and to also understand the dynamics of what we're doing. I want someone that has some on-the-ground experience and some theory behind that. And so this program is really great because it allows them the hands-on opportunity to put a chainsaw in their hands and know how to use it properly to manage the landscape in an effective manner.
Definitely like a safety aspect and being more like aware of like the weather conditions, especially like when you're working with fire. Like a lot of people don't realize that because you don't work hands-on with it. But when you're out here and you're like seeing how like the wind and humidity like affects the flames, and then we had a couple spot fires today and like being like, all right, we need to get these out quick so they don't burn when it's not supposed to.